Okay guys, so I'm starting a series on like how to bake and how to make cool like things. So I'm outside right now, there's a bunch of cars going by, but if you hear a car in the background, that's what it is. But yeah, that's it. I'm teaching you how to make salt dough for this baking video. I'm gonna try to start a series on the channel where I'm gonna have the other the videos not in a series in a game. In just gaming videos, but I'm gonna try to post other videos on a baking series. So I'm teaching you how to make salt dough today, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So the first step to making salt dough is you're gonna get 4 cups of flour, and I'm gonna get 1 cup first, like that. 1 cup. You're gonna dump it in. And get 2nd cup. There we go. There we go. Then get a 3rd cup. Then you're gonna get that was 4th one, right? Okay. Okay. Then you're gonna get 1 cup of salt. And we're gonna use the same measuring cup. Almost. There we go. Then you're gonna dump that in. Then you're gonna get your 1.5 cups of water. I already got that one ready because I'm not gonna reuse this one. So you're gonna dump this one in. It should look like that. Okay. Now you can get a spoon. And then you're gonna mix it up, and then you would move it mold it together with your hands until it's like Play-Doh, kind of. So, yeah. Okay, so we just finished the salt dough. So it doesn't really get on your hands if you don't pick at it with your fingers. You can do big movements and it won't get on your hands, but you can roll it up into a ball, but it doesn't bounce. So and if you you can make a sculpture out of it, and you can put it and you can bake it, and then you can make a sculpture and you can bake it, and then once you put it in the oven, once you get it out, you can paint the sculpture to make it look more like it and stuff, and then it'll be painted, and you can put it on cardboard or something, put it on your shelf or something. But that's how you make salt dough.